Welcome back to AutoMotion Lab, where we explore the engineering, innovation, and real-world performance of modern vehicles that move America forward. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most recognizable and trusted names in student transportation, the Bluebird Vision Bus. This is not just another yellow school bus. It represents decades of refinement, safety evolution, and smart design built specifically for the unique demands of school transportation across the United States. The Bluebird Vision is purpose-built from the ground up as a school bus, unlike conventional buses adapted from truck chassis. That distinction alone sets it apart. Bluebird has been manufacturing school buses for nearly a century, and the Vision platform reflects that experience in every detail. From the driver's seat to the reinforced body structure, everything is designed around safety, durability, and long service life. One of the most important features of the Bluebird Vision is its body-on-chassis integration. Bluebird manufactures both the chassis and the body in-house, which allows for tighter engineering control and better structural integrity. This unified design improves crash performance and reduces long-term maintenance issues that often come from mismatched components. School districts benefit from a bus that's built as a complete system rather than assembled from parts designed by different manufacturers. Under the hood, the Bluebird Vision is typically powered by a gasoline engine, most commonly the Ford 7.3-liter V8. This engine has become a favorite among fleet operators due to its proven reliability, strong torque output, and simplified emissions system compared to diesel. The gasoline powertrain also reduces upfront cost and eliminates the need for diesel exhaust fluid, which simplifies maintenance and lowers operating expenses for school districts. The driving experience of the Vision bus is another area where thoughtful engineering shines. Bluebird placed significant emphasis on driver ergonomics. The sloped hood design dramatically improves forward visibility, allowing drivers to see children and obstacles closer to the front of the bus. This is especially important during loading and unloading, where visibility can mean the difference between safety and danger. Inside the driver's area, controls are logically arranged, easy to reach, and clearly labeled. The adjustable steering column, supportive seat, and improved pedal placement help reduce fatigue during long routes. When drivers are comfortable and alert, safety improves naturally, and Bluebird understands that better than most manufacturers. Safety is the core identity of the Bluebird Vision. The bus features a reinforced steel body with closely spaced roof bows, side impact protection, and a high-strength rollover structure. The design exceeds federal safety standards and is tested under extreme conditions to ensure durability over years of daily operation. Bluebird's commitment to passive safety ensures that students are protected even in the unlikely event of a collision. The Vision bus also supports a wide range of active safety technologies. Options include electronic stability control, traction control, collision mitigation systems, and advanced camera setups. Many districts now equip their Vision buses with stop-arm cameras and interior monitoring systems, adding another layer of accountability and safety for students and drivers alike. Passenger comfort is another area where the Vision bus stands out. The interior is designed to be quiet, well ventilated, and resistant to wear. Improved insulation reduces engine noise, creating a calmer ride for students. Seating options range from standard vinyl to upgraded materials that are easier to clean and more resistant to vandalism, which is a major advantage for long-term fleet management. Climate control is also well thought out. The Vision bus offers efficient heating and air circulation systems that keep students comfortable during cold winters and hot summers. Large windows allow natural light while maintaining structural strength, creating a more open and less confined feeling inside the bus. Maintenance and serviceability are critical factors for school transportation fleets, and the Bluebird Vision excels here as well. The wide-opening hood provides easy access to the engine and major components, reducing labor time during routine inspections and repairs. Fluid checks, belt access, and electrical components are positioned for quick servicing, which translates into lower downtime and reduced maintenance costs. Bluebird also supports alternative fuel options for the Vision platform. In addition to gasoline, the Vision is available in propane and compressed natural gas configurations. These versions significantly reduce emissions and fuel costs while maintaining the same safety and performance standards. Many school districts choose propane Vision buses to meet environmental goals without sacrificing reliability. The propane-powered Vision bus, in particular, has gained popularity across the United States. It offers cleaner combustion, quieter operation, and lower fuel expenses. Blue Bird worked closely with fuel system partners to ensure seamless integration, making the propane Vision just as dependable as its gasoline counterpart. Durability is another hallmark of the Blue Bird Vision. These buses are designed to stay in service for decades. Corrosion-resistant materials, reinforced panels, and robust underbody protection help the bus withstand harsh weather, road salt, and daily wear. This long lifespan makes the Vision a smart investment for school districts operating on tight budgets. Beyond performance and safety, the Blue Bird Vision represents trust. Parents trust it with their children. Drivers trust it with their livelihoods. School districts trust it to operate day after day without unexpected failures. That level of confidence doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of continuous improvement, real-world feedback, and a company that focuses exclusively on student transportation. From an engineering standpoint, the Vision bus is a great example of purpose-driven design. Nothing feels unnecessary, and nothing feels overlooked. Every curve, panel, and system serves a function. It's a vehicle built not for luxury or speed, but for responsibility, reliability, and protection. As transportation continues to evolve, Blue Bird remains at the forefront by adapting the Vision platform to modern demands. Whether it's integrating cleaner fuels, smarter safety systems, or improved driver technology, the Vision bus continues to evolve while staying true to its core mission. At AutoMotion Lab, we appreciate vehicles that are engineered with intent, and the Blue Bird Vision is a perfect example. It may not grab headlines like sports cars or electric supercars, but its impact is felt every morning and afternoon in communities across the nation. It quietly does one of the most important jobs in transportation, carrying the future generation safely to and from school. If you found this deep dive into the Blue Bird Vision bus informative, make sure to like the video, subscribe to AutoMotion Lab, and turn on notifications for more in-depth automotive and transportation content. Let us know in the comments what vehicle or technology you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.